if you should get married, send your papers off. You know, I know you're supposed to have like a joint bank account. Your husband owes child support, and because he owes child support, they confiscated the bank account. I know, and eventually
time out right there. Let me just answer the question right now.
Okay.
Because if the husband owes back child support,
yes.
they're not going to give you a green card until that child support is paid in full.
And okay, so what? So even if they're collecting it, it doesn't matter.
It has to be up to date.
Okay, and what about your social and your work permit? They'll give you that in the meantime?
Yes, but then you'll end up in deportation, so what's the sense?
Oh.
Because they're going to deny you. Once you get to... In other words, when you file applications now, that's why I say it's so important to go to a lawyer.
Right.
Because when you file applications, the train has left the station. You're either getting your green card or you're getting deported. There's no in between anymore.
Okay.
So you know, that's why it's so important to go to a lawyer now before you file anything to make sure you're doing it the right way. Because under Obama, believe it or not, under Obama, they are deporting more people under Obama than under Bush, than under Clinton, than under the first Bush, than under Ronald Reagan, or any time in the history of America.
Right. So so I guess now, because I know you're in the process now of, you already did the fingerprints. You're actually just waiting on them to send you like the information to look about.
So what needs to happen is we got to have a conversation with the husband about how do we clean up this child support issue.
Okay, that's before you even get your date to go in.
Yes.
Okay, because I know they're taking it from his pay weekly.
Right.
They do that.
Well. I mean, is it he owes it or he has a plan that he's paying it back and he's now? But I mean, in other words, you're telling me that if he puts money in a bank, they're going to confiscate it right away. So he doesn't have a plan that they're happy with. They're basically trying to collect money from him left, right, and center, and he's got to resolve it.
Okay, so if he tries to resolve it, like, I guess he has to go into the child support, whatever, get some arrangement. So if he tries to resolve it before he does go in for his interview and have something to show, then I guess his wife
then you will have a much better chance.
Okay. All right. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to make an appointment to come and see you.
Correct.
And I do have your other number.
You
to make an appointment, yes.
You can have any number you want to make an appointment, but the number that Squeeze wants everyone to call these days is 1-800
yes.
522-0804.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have
Okay.
a great